Get your hose, everyone. Get your hose. Oh, you're right. You're right. Let me put that on too. Okay.
Come on, man. Proper attire.
Get your hose, everyone. Get your hose. Get your hose. Alright, I have my summer dress. Oh, y'all don't? Wow. Alright,
I mean,
let's go, everyone.
Whatever.
Let's go. Hey, Adrian, why are you jumping?
Adrian, why are you jumping on it?
Get your hose, everyone. Get your hose. You did. Just
It's
pissed me off.
harvesting season,
Go.
gang.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
It's harvesting season. I should have emptied my inventory before I
It's
just.
so satisfying.
Ring.
I should have emptied my inventory before I did this.
Oh my gosh, wait, oh my gosh, the big field over there. The big field. Oh my gosh, the big field's about to be crazy, bro.
Ready? JJ.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, my game is so laggy. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
My game is getting so laggy, bro.
I can feel the frames dropping, bro. I'm
Yo.
not even looking at it.
Oh my gosh, my game is so laggy. I'm running on 30 frames, bro.
Try picking up as much as you can, bro.
Holy crap, bro. I'm gonna have to like put all my stuff in like in a separate chest. I'm gonna have to be
I'm lagging so bad.
Stop hitting me, stop it.
Oh, it's thundering.
I'm lagging
Bro, there's
so
still
bad.
so much freaking wheat everywhere
Yo,
still.
Oh
there's
my
a
God.
phantom.
There's so many
Oh.
phantoms.
Yo, look up,
31
upward.
FPS.
Yo, look upward and it will be so smooth. Look upward and it's so smooth.
Oh my god, the OP.
Tyler stays at 1 FPS, bro. Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh no, my PC.
Oh my PC.
My PC.
Okay, I'm averaging like 30. We're good. Also, these phantoms are low-key gonna kill.
Oh my.
Watch out, Adrian!
Dude, there's still
Watch
so much
out.
weed. Oh my gosh.
I'm about to die.
There's no way y'all are about to die, bro.
I need to put all this
Phantoms,
stuff
man.
somewhere. I'm gonna empty everything out.
Oh my god. The frames. I
Oh
can't
no,
see.
my PC.
Dude, I need like a separate chest to put everything in.
I know, bro. I'm about to do that right now.
Yo, watch out, bro. Yeah, I
Alright, ready?
think so, buddy.
Yo, here, this is the chest.
the
Wait,
chest.
over here.
Oh my god, that
Hey, John.
almost hit me.
Hey, the chest for the wheat and the seeds. are gonna be
Watch
right here.
out! Dude, this is already gonna fill up.
Alright, there. I emptied out my whole inventory. Well, most basically my whole inventory. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, no, it doesn't even matter.
There's so much weed.
Dude, there's still like all this wheat over here on the left side, bro.
Oh my god.
I mean on the right side,
Oh my god, there is just like a big valley over there.
So, oh my god, bro.
Yeah, but I'm
Oh
coming.
my.
I'm coming. I'm about to pick everything
I'm
up.
getting hurt.
I have nothing in my inventory.
Dude, more. There's another seed chest.
Stop it. Stop it. I'm getting shot by a skeleton now.
Oh my god, the noise is so satisfying, bro.
No, stop. I'm getting shot by a skeleton. This is for day. Okay, wait, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Defeat him with the hoe. Oh my
Oh
god,
my
when I
God,
get
that's
to
so
this
annoying.
side of the
Oh my
field,
God.
my FPS drops instantly.
Just don't look that way. Just don't
Ow!
don't
These
look that
phantoms.
way, bro.
I'm picking up everything.
Okay, put all the seeds in the chest, or
Yo, I'm actually picking up everything. Look,
Freaking phantoms, bro.
how does all of this fit in
I'm about to die.
my
I'm about to die.
inventory?
I'm about to freaking die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
No! The farmer!
No!
Oh my stuff.
Bro, I just dropped like a full inventory of seeds, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's about to
Get out of here.
it's so smooth when it's not at the farm, but as soon as it gets to the farm, bro, oh my god. Okay, okay.
Yo, we
wait,
might
it's
need
actually-
more chests, bro. We're gonna need more chests, bro.
Okay, wait, where's my stuff at? It's right here. Oh my gosh.
I don't freaking think so, buddy.
Dude, look. Like,
Watch out! No,
He's getting
they're
triple
actually
killed.
comboing.
bro. Oh my gosh. No, give me that. I need that. No, I just dropped it. Right. There you go. Get away from me, bro. Please. Don't pick up my carrot. Why is there a whole? Why is
There's so many phantoms out, bro.
holy? This is for day 100 though.
This is the day 100.
This is day
The
100.
day 100 event, bro.
I'm about to die again, bro. These freaking phantoms.
Phantoms are actually going crazy.
You're going on a killing spree.
If I ever heard to say about it.
No, please! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Protect the farmer.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Come back, he's
Protect the farmer.
okay, okay.
We have to expand it bigger, bro.
Well, yeah, we have so many seeds now.
Yo, it's gonna go like, I don't even know. There's a freaking creeper.
Defend the farmer.
Oh my gosh, what the frick? Creeper. I think that's it.
That's most of it.
I think that's it.
Ow, dude, these freaking phantoms.
Yep, we did it. That's it. We're. Oh wait, there's
We
still
did it.
some
Oh wait, there's still something. Okay, I harvest the hay.
some right here. And that's yep. There you go. Done. Oh, what the?
No.
I literally saw him coming towards me. I didn't even react, bro. Big, bro.
Now we just pick up everything, bro.
Yep. Now we just pick up everything and move it to the chest.
Put it
And then we
all in the
expand, bro.
chest. And then, yep, we're gonna have to expand it all.
Oh my god, there's so many chests.
Why is there so much chest? Oh my gosh!
Look at how much seeds there are.
Oh my days! All the wheat. Oh, yo. Wait, hold on. Let me get my seeds. I died. Hello.
There's actually.
Phantoms are
Okay.
still here.
Alright, so how we're gonna.
Buddy, I'm
You
ready
know.
for you. Yeah, get out of here.
Alright, so
Yay!
now we need a plan. How we need to freaking expand this, bro.
We did it.
Okay, now how do we expand it, bro?
Yeah.
You just kind of like expand it, sorta.
I know, but which direction, bro? Cause like, It's gonna like.
Oh,
No.
I mean, well, originally it was only just me expanding it, but if you want to help, I would like if this whole area, this patch right here, this patch I'm standing on, just covered in wheat.
Okay.
All right,
Okay, bet.
and
Let's
then
go.
also finish all that too. Well, you gotta add some water though.
Right.
Add some water. Come on now.
Right, right.
Add some water now.
Gotta add some water now.
Everyone has to have a bucket.
I had a bucket.
Hold on.
Had.
Bro, I had like 32 levels, bro, and I died again, bro. Frick. Alright, there. So all my seeds. Wow, we have so
Yo, whose stuff is this?
That's my stuff. That's my stuff. Just leave it. Leave it.
Okay. Yeah, you'll just get it later.
All right, bet. Let's go. Let's start expanding. Come on, let's go. I'm such a buggy hoe. I love it.
John, you're such a bird brain.
Right.
Is it just me or can I just not hear John at all?
I also can't hear him.
Yeah, me too. I can't hear you.
I'm back, guys.
Hey guys.
Alright, John. I guess you just had to start dancing.
My mom fucking on my butt
Ah,
because the phantoms.
the phantoms.
His
I
mom's
can-
on his butt because of the phantoms, bro.
Even she hates the Phantoms, bro. We have no respect for Phantoms here. Start replanting, I guess.
Yeah, I'm replanting, and then Adrian and Jay can expand.
Jake, you get wooden slabs.